Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Remove the display panel bezel. Note: the display panel can be removed without first detaching the display assembly from the base enclosure. Carefully loosen the adhesion between the display panel cable and the display enclosure. Note: do not attempt to disconnect the display panel cable from the display panel at this point. Remove the 4 thin 2 mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Carefully pivot the top of the display panel to access the display panel cable. Carefully lift off any tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the display panel. Remove the display panel. Carefully connect the display panel cable to the display panel. Pivot the display panel into the display enclosure over its alignment pins and screw holes. Replace the 4 thin 2 mm P0 Phillips head screws to secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Press the display panel cable to re-adhere it to the display enclosure.